nakalipat na kami ng bahay. This is not a bahay. This is an apartment. We are in a building complex, an apartment complex, in a building, whatever. Yan, nag-move in kami dito ng early kasi yung mga in-order ko online, unti-unti nang dumadating. And now, so yung inuna ko talaga ay yung mga basic needs namin na kailangan para makapag-start kami ng yung makapag-start kami na makatulog dito. So, yun. Let me go. The reason na, so hindi pa talaga siya tapos. And this is my style as much as possible. I am minimalist kind of person as I grow old and get mature. That's how it is. And actually, may mga reason na we decided to move here. This is the first time that we live in downtown. Ano ba? This is very convenient to my babe office. You know, he don't need to drive. He can just walk. And then, what else? Actually, yung pagdating namin dito, everything was actually like so wide and so huge. Sinabi niya sa akin na you need to learn how to drive. Yun yung in-encourage na. Then after a few days of driving around here, sabi niya na, I'm not confident that you will be driving. Because to tell you honestly, I think that their driving style is crazy. Sabi niya na, okay, in this place, you don't need to have a car, and you don't need to drive. So, because there are so many buses right here. Outside of our building, there is a bus stop. And then, maybe 2 blocks, there are So this is our kitchen. That's our kitchen here. What I like about the kitchen is it's so huge, you know, and the material that they use and the appliances that they have. And this is so we got here 2 doors, so many doors right here, guys. So this is for our shoes. Ayan, wala pang keep ka ano-ano dyan. Wala pa kami shorak. And then this is washer and dryer. So that's one of the things that we have to consider. So that's what we like this place. And we've got this as well for, hindi ko na i-open to, wala na itong mga laman. That's actually for our foods or grocery na pwede mo siyang i-stock, but we entered top. It's granite. And the first time na notice ko and I said, oh, this is a good idea. We don't need to buy a dining table because we can use it. So that's the reason why I choose to got those things. These 2 bar stool. Sabi ni babe, oh, dalawa lang. Wala. So kung may bisita, wala daw upuan. Sabi ko, don't worry. Doon ka sa living room. So yan. We will be using 3 computers in all in this house. So this is pretty much how it looks like. Ito yung space. Sa kanya at least may space pa siya for his computer. And that's our living room for now. So there are 3 colors na inaalaw ko sa bahay na to. So ako talaga nag-decide, no? But definitely, inaano ko naman kay babe. Sinasabi ko, would this work? I mean, what do you think about this? So, ganun. Kinukonsult ko every time na hindi naman lahat-lahat. Pero most of the things na nagustuhan naman niya. So, na sinasuggest ko lang in this place. And that would be white, black, and yellow green because that's my favorite. It's obviously, guys, if you know what madadala namin. Ayan. And then, nag-start ako bumili ng plants. Yan. Sabi ni babe na dahan-dahan pagbili ng plants because hindi daw ako marunong mag-alaga ng plants. Sabi ko, inalagaan ko naman sila kasi, guys, marami akong chika. Parang nagluluy. Ano ba yan? Parang mamamatay din. Oh my G! Kaya, ito, kasi bala ko nga, ginawa ko yung mga flower pot na to nung nag-start na kaming matulog dito. So, ginawa ko to para kay gusto ko may uniformity. Okay, from our little living room, punta ka ng, yeah, this one. This is our lobby here. That's what you can see on the lobby area. Yung office na to, we were going to make Project Kenny Babe design na ilalagay niya. Okay, sabi ko, that's good na assignment mo yan. Yung assignment ko is living room, kitchen, and this thing. Hindi ko na alam. Bedroom. Yun yung assignment ko. So, pretty much, wala pa. We have a huge problem. We have 3 packages na it says it's delivered, but we couldn't figure it out what's wrong with the package because we didn't receive our stuff. So yeah, and that was actually for our room, and that's pretty much our bedroom. This one, okay, from the bedroom it has so that's what you can see right here. Let me turn on the light. So ayan, diretso na siya from bedroom, yung bathroom namin. Yan. That was the living room. So that was just very easy. And that was our closet right there. And yeah, actually I like the bathroom because it's huge. It's huge. The bathtub is huge. You see? You saw that that's only our shampoo. Very minimalist. And yeah, it's so nice that it's so clean. I hope so. Kaya sinabihan ko talaga ni Babe na hindi nagmamaarte ako. But I don't like messy. Additional info as well. The house is actually in the thermostat settings. So, ayan. So, let's go ahead and show you around the amenities, guys. You ready? I've got the keys with me. And heads up, by the way, I posted this one back. I posted this one in Facebook about my frustration na nawala yung clicker ko. I don't know what happened. It was just gone. And then ang liit-liit nito pero pricey yung yun yung problema pag high-tech yung environment. Importante ito sa mga resident na dito because there's no key. No, we have keys. This is only the key. This is the male key and our main door. So ganun lang. And ito, we need this. We really need this to get inside of the building. And all of the gates, ito yung kailangan. Kailangan ito para makapasok ka sa building, makapasok ka sa amenities, makapasok ka sa lahat ng amenities. So I just closed my eyes when I paid it. Like, and I learned from that. That's what's going on. Okay, so much talking. Let me go ahead and show you around to the amenities. So guys, this is our trash place. Ayan, dyan namin tinatapon ang mga basura. Andito na tayo sa club. So, yan, let's see here what they've been up to. This is the club area. Okay. So this is, this is a free computer right here, and free internet and free printer if you have some emergency that you need to do some office work, pwede kang pumunta dito. And if you run out of, internet connection, pwede kang pumunta dito to do your thing. And we have here this free coffee machine. So definitely it's free. And we've got free drinks and free ice right there. Guys, those are free. And this time, we were going to go to the fitness center. Here we go. This is the fitness center. Here we go. We are now in the swimming pool area. Is it cool? Ang saya-saya nila tingnan. So right now we are in the lounge. Kita mo yung kung may party-party kayo dyan, may mga bisita kayo, pwedeng mag-invite. Yan, tas may din sila. Live TV doon. If you wanted to grill something. Rooftop. That's the swimming pool right there that we've been to. You can see it right here. Whew. Actually guys, hiningal ako pataas at pababa at lakad-lakad. By the way guys, that's it for today. Something like that, I don't know. But yeah, thank you for stopping by, and as always, thank you for stopping by.